Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be unboxing the Princess Box January 2018 K plus I edition. This box is curated by Niranjana from Leo Tales and I am really looking forward to this edition. The box came in beautifully gift wrapped. I have opened the gift wrapping and from inside this is the box that I have received. It has such a beautiful covering on it. It is a 2018 calendar and with a cute picture here. So this is quite a nice box, quite a useful box too. So this time the box is quite exciting. We have got a lot of Korean products in this box and without wasting any time, let's just go in and see. From inside I have received another calendar. It's a pocket calendar basically. Quite a nice touch. I quite like this. So friends, I am going to unwrap everything and then we will see all the products. The first product to come out of is this beautiful handbag from Moda House. You have options to choose from, I think, a silver or black. So I chose the black holographic handbag. So this is how it looks inside. It has a small open pocket here and a beautiful sling to go with it. This is such an awesome sling. Honestly, this is going to look very classy. It also has this tassels here and I guess this is going to be a very delicate sling, but it is meant to be used gently and delicately. It's not a daily use handbag or a sling. So you can use it occasionally and it's going to just pep up your look. The next product I have received is this Swan Ink highlighter oil. So I was quite excited for this product. I wanted to see how it actually functions. So let us just take a look at it. It has a dropper here and this is a golden colored oil. Let me just put in a drop here. So this is how the oil looks. I have just poured in a little excess, looks like. I don't think you can observe the glimmer here. So it's a nice subtle glimmer. And I think you can use it best when you mix it with a foundation or with your BB cream. The next product is again from the same brand. It is from Swan Ink and it is an all natural product and it is a rose serum. Guys, let me tell you, the moment I have opened this, the fragrance is so strong. It has just spread across everywhere and it's such a beautiful fragrance. You will not believe it. So I'm so happy to get this sort of a serum. So it says the serum contains pure natural extracted rose water with the goodness of rosehip seed oil, jojoba oil, frankincense oil and flaxseed oil and extracts of gold. So this is quite an interesting serum. Let me just take a bit. So this is how the serum looks. Let me put in a drop here. It's almost like a clear serum. The serum has got absorbed in very rapidly, does not leave an oily layer and the fragrance is just enchanting. I love the fragrance. It is so good. The next product I have received is this Laneige Goodnight Sleeping Care Kit. Some of you must already be knowing that Laneige is a very premium Korean brand for skincare and all its products are supposed to be very good. I have not used any of the Laneige product and hence I was looking forward to using this particular kit. If you do not want this kit, there is an option to choose a blotting powder from Trolls. So you could choose that too. So let us open this and see. So this is how it looks. It has two containers in it. The first one is this Laneige lip sleeping mask. So this is supposed to be different from the lip balm in the sense that it remains for a longer time and this is how it looks. It seems very intense on the lips, but yes, again I will be able to tell you about this product only after I have applied it for a few days. But the feel is very nice. The taste is like strawberry and I'm quite looking forward to using this product. The next product I have received is the water sleeping mask and it is this beautiful blue colored jar with this sort of a gel in it. It is a light blue gel. So let us just take a little of it. Again, the gel applies very well. It just does not appear as if you have applied anything on your skin. it is very smooth and the fragrance is very nice. Next, I have received this mini pies. I already ate one, I could not resist it. So this is the pink pie, then orange pie. I quite like them, they are quite nice and tasty. The next one are these two ready to have coffee sachets, and they look quite nice. I'm going to try them too. I'm very happy to get this too. I always love such products. And then the cutest stuff here is this beautiful pen. It's a fine tip pen and it is so nice and quirky. It looks so pretty. I'm so happy to get this pen. So yeah, this is also a nice touch. The remaining came in this. It's a beautiful golden textured makeup case, and yes, this is not the product. This is the box in which all the items have been sent, and I think this is so beautiful. This is just the perfect size, and you can store all your makeup or carry it also, and it has got this beautiful handle here to carry it. So this is quite a nice case and I love this absolutely. So let's open and see what all we have received. Okay, so these are all the things. So the first product that I can see is a body mist, a full size body mist from Natural Bath and Body in the fragrance Sweet Ocean. So there are 3 choices available for this fragrance, and I have used this Sweet Ocean before and it's a beautiful fragrance, and hence I chose this again. So Natural Bath and Body is a known brand and it started off with fragrances. Now they have added skincare and other things. But yes, their body mist are really very good. This is a 200 ml body mist and it is priced at rupees 350. The next product that I see is this Humblebee Mojito with lemon oil. It is a handcrafted luxury bathing essential. This is a 100 ml product priced at rupees 499. The next product is this beautiful pair of earrings. Just look at this earring. It is so beautiful. It is absolutely elegant. It's a party wear and each of the element in this earring is absolutely A1 quality. Honestly, this earring is a showstopper. You wear this and you don't need anything else. You could also opt for a choker instead. The next product I have received is this lip tint from Tony Moni and this is in the red shade. There is one more shade available. I chose the red shade and I had heard quite a lot about this lip tint and this is absolutely beautiful. This is how the wand looks and let me swatch it for you. Just look at the color. It's so beautiful and so natural, and the tint is absolutely watery. So when you apply it, it just doesn't feel as if you have applied anything. It's very lightweight. All the tints generally are very drying, but this particular tint is drying, but it isn't as drying as the other tints, and the staying power is good. It would stay almost the entire day and would be washed off only with oily food or when you're consuming food. So yes, it's a good tint. Then I have received this packet which says Etude House, and I have received 2 nose strips. One is from Watsons. It's a nose pore strip and it is in the Jeju volcanic ash. This is made in Korea and this nose strip is very popular. I am really looking forward to use this. The next one is the green tea nose pack, again from Etude House, and you would get options to choose the nose strip also. There are 2 variants which are available. Then I have received this Style My eyebrow pencil and this is in the shade 02. I was not very keen on getting a face mask and hence I requested to replace the face mask with something else, and this is what I received and I am very happy with this eyebrow pencil too. Then I have received this. This is Star Bites, Chupa Chups Star Bites, and these are quite nice yummy ones. I have tried this before and they taste awesome. And the last one and the cutest one is this hairband, a kitten hairband. So this is typically how it looks. It's a beautiful pink and white hairband and it's going to look really cute. So this is how it's going to look. So these were all the products that I received. Hope you all liked it. I mean, Princess Box Royal Edition is one of my most favorite boxes, and the products are really well thought of. This time they have done a fabulous job. The box is quite exciting. You also have a lot of options. You can go for the other versions too. So friends, if you did like this, please go ahead and order yours soon. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Share some love. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. Love you all. See you soon.